Hey guys, I am doing a fill on this set. We have posted this design before on a shorter nail. Now she come in for a fill, but the fill is different. However, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. So she came in for a fill and a design change. So wonder how we're going to create that design change without taking off, or should I say take too much time, because that morning we were cramped for time because I was going to a wedding, early morning wedding. So we did our best and we came up with a ombre, full ombre but different color ombre. It's a glitter ombre with colors in it. I got that glitter color from Picasso Powders. They have a lot of colors. So it's called Nerds, that one. It's quite nice. It's not too loud if you're a conservative person, so it's still classy and looks nice, but not too loud if you're concerned about brightness of like neon colors and so on. So she loved it, and it even matches what she was wearing to the wedding. So you're gonna hear a little voice in the background, and that's my daughter talking to me while I'm actually recording, but don't mind her. So keep on watching, guys. Take down, shape again, and to fill in the new design. So keep on watching. Kept the original ombre design that we had before. Is the other two nails that got the glitter design. watch and see how we create that into a glitter design. Sorry for the noise in the background. I'm at work and sometimes it can be noisy. So now we're going to use the glitter. So we're filling in any area of the nude that needs to be filled in first before we apply our glitter. So we're applying our glitter now. It is so beautiful as a ombre design, guys. I've done this for someone before. I don't remember if it was a new background, but yeah, it was done before. The same nerd color into a fade as well, and it turned out just as nice as this one is. You guys gonna love it. She loves it before it was even finished. So we're gonna cap that with clear, because you know once you file glitter, it changes the look of it and the color. So we have to cap it with clear so that we do not lose the glitter and the design. So keep on watching, guys. So guys, top coats, we're at the end of this design. I hope you guys loved it. She loved it, I loved it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Comment what you think about this design, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.